Fresh baby spinach and fennel tossed in a flavorful vinaigrette popped with toasted walnuts and your choice of cheese. You don't want to miss this. It's nutty and cheesy and healthy. Let's make our spinach and fennel salad with walnuts and cheese. Today's salad is certainly about convenience, but it also goes the distance. You should feel comfortable serving it as a first course at your next fancy dinner party, serve it next to your favorite main course, or enjoy it on its own as a healthy meal option. Here's how to make it. We're starting at stovetop, moderate heat, small skillet. We're adding half a cup of walnuts. We're gonna move them about in the pan for maybe 5 minutes. Let's toast them up. Next up, the vegetables. 4 cups of baby spinach washed, spun dry. I'm gonna place it into a large salad bowl. Plus, I have 1 head of fennel. The fronds and woody ends are removed. The bulb is trimmed, then thinly shaved. Today, I'm using a vegetable mandolin to shave the fennel very carefully, but you can also shave fennel going slowly with a very sharp knife. Fennel goes into the bowl with the spinach. I like to give them a toss to combine. Now we're on to a flavor-forward vinaigrette. I'm going to use a sherry vinegar for this recipe today, but if you don't have it, don't worry about it. Simply swap it out for a slightly sweet vinegar, something like a white balsamic or even a rice wine vinegar will do. Into a small bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar. I'm going to season with a pinch of kosher salt and black pepper, whisk to combine. Then a little bowl on the side, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of walnut oil. Stir them together. Then back to the vinegar, we're going to add the oils in a slow, steady stream. I'm whisking continuously to emulsify. Before we bring this salad recipe together, let's talk cheese, please. You can make this recipe using an aged Parmesan or a salty Greek feta. Even a subtle flavored goat's cheese will work, but my fave has always been a beautiful blue cheese. You're gonna need half a cup of cheese for the recipe. The blue cheese, if you're using it, you can crumble it up by hand. So, everything into the bowl. We have our spinach and fennel. We're gonna add the toasted walnuts. Let's add that choice of cheese. Then we're gonna drizzle on the vinaigrette. Whenever I make this salad, I always seem to be heading straight to table. To toss and serve this beautiful salad tableside. You can add a sprinkle of black pepper and how about some sea salt flakes? Both are always welcome. Like I said off the top, it is nutty, it is cheesy, it is healthy. Thankfully, the full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this salad recipe and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when a salad looks this beautiful, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Spinach and fennel salad with walnuts and cheese. Loving these flavors. Fennel, spinach, walnuts, blue cheese. Amazing.